We're going to explain political ideologies in a simple, easy way, no textbook style. You'll understand everything. Liberalism, a belief that individual freedom, human rights, and the rule of law are the top values, and that government should not interfere more than necessary. In simple terms, you run your own business. You decide what to sell, how much to charge, and when to open. The government doesn't tell you, do it this way. The government's job is to make sure the same rules apply to everyone. No fraud, fair competition, and courts that protect your rights. In short, freedom and rule of law. Conservatism, a belief in protecting traditions, institutions, and stability, and being cautious about sudden radical change. In simple terms, your store follows methods that have worked for years. You don't change everything overnight because the old way has been tested. If you try something new, you do it carefully, step by step, and only keep it if it actually improves things. In short, tradition and stability. Anarchism, the idea that the state and forced authority should be rejected and society should govern itself through voluntary cooperation. In simple terms, there's no top boss running the whole city. Shop owners, workers, and neighbors make agreements directly with each other. If a problem happens, the community meets and solves it together. No higher authority giving orders. In short, no centralized authority and self-management. Totalitarianism, a system where the state controls almost every part of life, politics, the economy, and even personal life. In simple terms, all stores belong to the state. The government decides what you sell, how much you sell, the prices, and who gets what. People may even be watched for what they say at home. Disagreeing with the system isn't allowed. In short, total state control. Socialism, the idea that major economic resources, like factories and land, should be owned by society and wealth should be shared more fairly. In simple terms, instead of private owners, stores and key businesses are owned by the community or the public. People work together, and the profits are distributed based on people's needs. The goal is that nobody is left without basic necessities. In short, shared ownership and social justice. Feudalism, a medieval system based on powerful landowners and people who depend on them, with duties and loyalty exchanged for protection and the right to live or work on the land. In simple terms, a powerful lord controls the land and opportunities. Ordinary people work and produce goods, then must give a portion to the lord as rent or obligation. In return, they get protection and permission to stay, but they remain dependent. In short, lords and dependents. Globalism, the belief that countries should be more connected through trade, culture, and cooperation. In simple terms, a store can buy products from other countries, learn ideas from different cultures, and sell to customers abroad. Borders are more open for business and partnerships, so economies become linked. In short, worldwide openness and cooperation. Feminism, the movement for equal rights and equal opportunities for women and men in politics, the economy, and society. In simple terms, in a store, a woman and a man doing the same work should get the same pay. Both should have equal chances to become managers or owners. Nobody should be treated unfairly just because of gender. In short, gender equality.
Populism is a political style that claims to speak for ordinary people against a corrupt elite. In simple terms, a politician says, "The rich and powerful are cheating you. I'm on your side. If you support me, I'll bring prices down and fix everything fast." The main message is, the people, versus the elite. In short, the people versus the elites.
Progressivism, the belief that society should improve through reform, science, and policies that increase fairness and quality of life. In simple terms, a store adopts modern technology, better safety and hygiene standards, and smarter ways to work. Workers' conditions improve, and the goal is constant improvement, making tomorrow better than today. In short, reform and innovation and progress. Environmentalism, the idea that protecting nature, reducing pollution, and keeping the environment balanced should be a top political and social priority. In simple terms, a store chooses cleaner energy, reduces waste, avoids dumping pollution, and uses eco-friendly packaging. The goal is to do business without harming the planet, because a healthy environment supports healthy people. In short, protect nature first. Theocracy, a form of government where religious law or religious leaders guide the state. In simple terms, rules about what the store can sell, when it can operate, and what is allowed or forbidden are set by religious laws. Major decisions in the city or country are made according to religious authority. In short, government based on religious law. What other topics would you like us to cover? And if we made any mistakes or missed something, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like. Your support really means a lot to us.